Hi, I'm Dylan Lewis, and I will be performing Sit Down, You're Rocking the Boat from the show Guys and Dolls. Music and lyrics by Frank Lesser, and my accompanist will be John Stewart. Thank you. Well, it happened to be kind of funny, like a dream. I dreamed last night I got on a boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood and I hollered, someone bade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Or the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my vest. And as I stood nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people said, beware, you're on a heavenly trip. People said, beware, beware, you'll scuttle the ship, or the devil will drag you under by the fence and tie around your wicked throat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you rock the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. Amen. And